YouTube, what's going on? Kyle with ePoolSupply. Today we are going to go over Zodiac's FRV 100 flow regulator valve. This is meant specifically for the MX8 and MX6, both in the original models and the Elite models. So I'm going to show you guys how to install it. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we're going to go over Zodiac's FRV 100. So this flow regulator valve, really cool. It'll actually auto adjust the flow as needed. So if you're using a variable speed pump, different types of different speeds going on, this will actually auto regulate the flow needed for the cleaner in order for it to function. So really cool feature. Does not come included with the cleaner, so you will need to purchase this separately. The good thing about it is it also gives you the twist lock hose knobs on here, so then that way you don't have to worry about trying to buy a separate quick connector as well to make sure that you can get everything hooked up and working properly. So really simple installation. You literally take the clip side and you're just going to push it over the top until you hear a clamp like that. So now it'll swivel along with the rest of the cleaner and auto adjust the flow. It's actually got some springs in there, and then when you do get these flow regulators, they do come with the notorious wheel speed indicator for your Zodiac cleaner. So then that way you can make sure if you don't already have one, or if one got lost, you can plug that in there, and then that way as you're trying to set the flow, you can actually see the rotations per minute by focusing on that yellow little knob. So you will get one with your flow regulator valve. So really cool. Definitely has the knobs up here for your twist lock hoses, so really simple. If you do need to take it off, replace it, you merely pinch the sides and the clips come off and you're good to go. So again, highly recommend getting this if you've got an MX6, MX8, either the original or the Elite models. It definitely works for both. So I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.